Hey everyone, welcome to our brand new YouTube channel, CSD Studios, where we dive deep into the exciting world of photography, videography, and the latest in tech. I'm Craig Davis, a Florida-based photographer, and I will be your guide on this creative journey, and I am beyond thrilled to have you here. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, our channel is your one-stop destination for everything you need to elevate your craft. From capturing the perfect portrait to filming epic wedding moments, nailing those fast-paced sports shots, and taking your drone skills to new heights, we've got you covered. We'll be sharing insider tips and tricks that the pros use, breaking down complex techniques into easy step-by-step tutorials. Ever wondered how to get that perfect lighting for your photos? Or how to compose a shot that tells a story? Or maybe you want to master the art of retouching to really make your images pop. We've got all that and more. Lighting is everything in photography. It's the difference between a good photo and a great one. In our lighting tutorials, we'll show you how to manipulate light to create stunning images, whether you're in studio or out on location. Composition is the key to capturing attention. We'll teach you the rules of composition and how to break them creatively to make your shots stand out. From framing to leading lines, properly using foreground and background elements, and everything in between. And let's not forget post-production. Our retouching tutorials will help you transform your raw images into polished masterpieces. Learn the secrets of color correction, skin retouching, and advanced editing techniques. If you're into drone photography, we've got some epic content lined up for you. We'll cover everything from basic piloting skills to advanced aerial cinematography techniques, ensuring you capture breathtaking footage from above. Imagine soaring high and capturing the world from a whole new perspective. With our drone tutorials, you'll learn how to plan your shots, navigate different environments, and edit your footage like a pro. So if you're passionate about photography, videography, and staying on the cutting edge of technology, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We have new videos dropping every few weeks, packed with valuable insights and creative inspiration. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the CSD Studios family. As always, I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to create something amazing today.